I think we are the only country that when load shedding comes, we take out a Weber immediately. We are trained for this. First and foremostly, today is not a political day. Today there are different political dominations, different political parties and present here. Today is not our day. But we recognize that politics plays a big role. I'm here today because a great man called Brent, the leader of Right to Freedom, asked me to be here today. Mornay and these gentlemen, and then a great lady who's also here, Debbie Els from Stop Farm Murder Organization. Thank you very much. I'm here because of that. I know some of you. We met at Brackenfell, where we stood our ground, and we knew why we were standing that day there. We were standing there because only one reason. Someone threatened our children at Brackenfell. We didn't go to Brackenfell because we needed to make a political statement. Ons het so toe gegaan want hulle het ons kinders gedreig. And that was it. Anybody that came there to make another statement came there to get points. We are not here to make points today. We are here to stand up and tell the world that it is our constitutional right, standing in front of this parliament, that we have the right to bear an arm if it is licensed and it is ours. Nou wragtig begin ons nou vir mense te sê, ons mag nie wapens dra wat wettig is nie. Nou Mr. Bekkie Cele, Bekkie, stoeltjie, tafeltjie, Cele. Mamela, jy met jou hoed. I know you. And to Mr. Malema, I may, Debbie, address Frikkie Malema. You assault police officers. Jy het 'n polisieman gedonder. En jy's nog nie in die tronk nie. You said that you will come to the home of policemen when they are off duty and you will murder them. Now we are surrounded by police here today that also bear arms. The police must understand he threatened you, not us. And it's funny, when the police need help, it will be the citizens of this country that will come and help you, not the criminals. It's us. Now hear me well. I am a war veteran. Where's our man from Right to Freedom, Jordi, where's he? He's a war veteran. Any war veterans here, no matter what side you fought, put up your hand, war veteran. We carried a uniform. We carried a rank. Ons weet wat maak jy met 'n geweer. Jy gaan nie in 'n nagklub en skiet mense dood nie. Jy hou jou veiligheid van jou familie. A normal citizen in this country takes 5 to 8 months to get a licensed firearm in your home, and a gangster takes it in a minute. Now I'm here to address 3 things about this proposal to amend our gun law. Number 1, you go through a competency, you go through a firearms test, you go shoot at the shooting range, they demand that you have a safe in your house, and you go through a process before we can get our firearm. We know how to handle it. Now you are telling us it's us that caused the murders in this country because they steal our guns. How many police guns have been stolen? I asked that question in the meantime. Want hulle skiet ons kinders dood met 'n R5 en 'n R4. Waar kry hulle 'n R4 en 'n R5? Where do they get these machine guns? Number 2, you take a citizen's guns away, who's next? The security companies are the next target to take their guns away. They're already starting. And thirdly, we are not in a country where it is safe. We have to admit that black and white should stop calling each other black and white, but should start calling each other South Africans first. We are South Africans. Because like white and black and indigenous people of this country, the Khoisan, the San, the Indabele, the Xhosa, Itiko, jou naam slaan sy is Kansonso. who Zanetemba, who Fak, who Tasha, who Nelson. I come from that culture. Today it's not an attack on race, today it is an attack on black and white's right to defend our family. So Debbie, when they kill a farmer, they're killing an individual, but they're taking food away. Julle maak kos dood. You are killing food, you are not killing an individual. And number two, law and order, and this is my last point, Debbie, Brent, my last point on this public platform, but not the last time in Parliament, I can tell you that. Volgende keer staan ons nie hierdie kant van die hek nie, ek sit daar. Ons gaan daar sit, en dan gaan ons reëls maak. Want die reël is fair. Uphold the Constitution, fight for the right of our children, and stand in defense of the right of freedom of speech, association, and getting together as a nation, once and for all. Take it now, take the key, Debbie. Thank you for what you are doing, Brent. It's funny, in conclusion, it's the biker that gets the bad name, but it's the biker that brings us salvation today. So up to the bikers of this country, halala, halala. To the rest of the day, may God bless you. Just one thing, ek staan al vir 30 jaar since I worked for Mandela that side. Ja bon. Hierdie naam is verkeerd. Ek kyk nou, daar was die Julle nie 'n Lowes Botha in die geskiedenis nie, it should be Louis Botha. Ons moet daai vee krap en 'n u terug sit. Ons kan nie 'n spel nie, maar ons wil die land se wette verander. Amen. May God bless you and may God bless South Africa. Thank you very much.